All right, so learners, I would like to start this by continuity of the previous lesson. This is Creative Arts Grade 6, uh, topical questions, and some of them are prediction questions. So let's start with number 19, where we were. Number 19 says, the tube used to improvise a wind instrument should be. Actually, the answer is hollow. Should be hollow so that the air can pass through. Then number 20 says the following is a musical note symbol. When you look at this this musical symbol is a symbol of a minim, and a minim has two notes, which is ta, a. So they are asking how many beats does it have? It has 3. No, it has 4. No. Then does it has 1? No, it has 2 because of ta, a. 1, 2, 2 beats. Number 21 says, Mora wanted to compose a song that talks about the issues that affect the society. Which type of a song was he likely to compose? So when we are talking about issues that are affecting the society, like diseases, pandemics, politics, CBC, CBE, all of these ones are known as topical song because they will talk about a certain topic. Yeah. Then the speed at which music is sang is known as, the speed of a song is known as tempo. Then pitch is the highness or lowness. Then dynamics, the loudness, softness. Rhythm, of course, is the pattern of notes and rests. That's number 21. So the correct answer for number 22 is tempo, C. Let's go to number 23. Number 23 says, a player who throws the ball to the batter to hit it in the game of rounders is known as, in the game of rounders, the one who is throwing the ball is known as a bowler. Then Angela, that is D. Angela asked her friend why salt was put in the dye bed after they were decorating a fabric using tie and dye technique. The answer that Angela gave was to test the bath now for a fabric to dry faster, not to reduce the rate at which the color will fade. Yes, that is the correct answer. So the correct answer, salt helps to reduce the rate at which the color fades out, which is C. Then what is the third command given to the medium start? On your marks, get set, then go. So the third one is go, which is B. Number 26. The indigenous wind in musical instrument drawn below is known as chivoti. Chivoti originates from which community? Of course, chivoti comes from Digo, which is a Mijikenda community. Specifically, I say Digo. And let's see at the answer choices that we have here. Do we have Digos in the house? Digos. We have Mijikenda. Yes, Mijikenda, Digo community among the Mijikenda. Then, how many players are required in each team at the beginning of soccer? The game of soccer is played by 22 players, like Manchester United yesterday played against Liverpool and they won. So there were 11 players of Manchester and 11 players of Liverpool. Sorry for the fans of Liverpool, but that's how the game is. Let's continue. The best materials for carving around us but should be, of course, we need a wood, not metal, not stone, not metallic rod. So the correct answer is D, wood. Name the part of the part marked Z in the diagram below. This is parts of a knot. So the part marked Z is known as, do we have answer choices? Yes, it's known as a flag. Other people call it not a stem. It is called a flag hook or a tail. A flag hook or a tail. Number 30. Decorated cotton fabric that can be knitted by, that is trimming, D. Then which of the following French rhythms are represented by the note symbol drawn below? Let's start. The first note is a crochet, ta. The second one is a minim, ta, a. Then pairs of quiver, tate. Then a minim, ta, pairs of quiver, tate. So the correct answer will be ta, ta, a, tate, which is C. Number 32. Newton asked Munene why buttons and beads are needed when making a glove puppet. What correct possible answer was given to Munene? They are used to make actually nose and eyes. They are used to make nose and eyes, especially the buttons makes eyes. Then the beads can be used to make the nose. Then which one of the following is not a secondary color? We have orange, blue, purple, blue, green. Blue is a primary color, so that one is not a secondary color. That one is not a secondary color. We continue with our revision here. And what number are we? A type of button change. Yes, number 34. A type of button change where both the runner involved look at each other as they change the button is known as, that one is visual when you look, but when you don't look at the receiver or the giver, that one is non-visual button exchange. So the correct answer here is C, visual button exchange. How is a drum tuned? Yes, a drum is tuned by warming the membrane next to the fire or in the sun. The correct choice is A. Number 36. Which color is marked M in the color wheel drawn below? We have blue and red. Between red and blue, we have orange. So the correct answer is A, orange. Number 37. The following are functions of a folk dance in the community. Which one is not? Educating? Yes, it educates. Spreading lies? No, we don't spread lies through folk dances. So the correct answer is spreading lies. That one is not a function of a folk song. Number 38. Relay button can be improvised from all of the following except which one? Clay slab, plastic, aluminium, then bamboo. The clay slab cannot improvise a relay button. The correct answer is A. Number 39. Nana was asked by his class teacher to name the highest pitch among D, Do, Re, Mi, Fa. You can see this one is just orderly arranged from lowest to highest. So what will be the correct answer? The Fa, Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Fa, which is C. The following is around us, but the part marked M. The part marked M, can you look closely at the part marked M? If you can guess or say that is a knob, the correct answer is A, a knob, a knob. We have also other parts of a bat, and I think in one of the lessons I'll teach about parts of the bat, yeah? Then clarity in pronunciation of words when singing is known as, that one is diction, correct pronunciation and articulation of words, which is choice D. Which one of the following is not an indigenous instrument that can be used to accompany a folk song? Indigenous means traditional from our communities. So let's look at this. We have that number B is a descant recorder. Descant recorder actually is a Western wind instrument. So that one is not indigenous, but the rest are indigenous. Yes. Then 43, the technique of drawing stationary objects. Stationary are non-moving objects which are placed or still life. So that one is known as still life drawing, drawing of non-moving object. Number 44, which musical symbol is correctly matched? This one is a crochet, and the rest is the rest of a semi-brief. This one is a minim, and the rest is of a crochet. Then this one is a quiver, and the rest is a quiver. So the correct answer is C. The correct answer is C. Wiping the mouthpiece of a wind instrument helps in A, preventing spread of communicable diseases. Of course, that is correct. We prevent communicable diseases. Then the part of the body that is mainly used to dribble the ball in the game of football. Football, that is like a free mark or free tick for this, because football we play using the legs, not the hair, not dribbling using the heads, not the hands, not the chest. Those ones will be traps and the head. Then in a wind instrument, air is blown through A. Finger holes, closed end, barrel, or mouthpiece. Of course, we blow the air through the mouthpiece. The correct answer is D. The correct answer is D. Then number 48, in-step kicking technique of football. A player strikes the ball using which part of the foot? Back, toes, top, or the knee? It is top part of the foot. Then, which one of the following is not a stringed instrument? Stringed instrument means one-stringed instruments with one string. It is, of course, kimengeng, nyatiti, adeudeu, bukantit, that one, all of them one. Then Kazungu pasted similar pieces of material on a surface to make a picture composition. This technique is known as, that one is mosaic. Mosaic, we use similar pieces of material to paste on a surface to create a theme, composition, or a message. Otherwise, thanks for being part of this revision. I hope it helped you so much for your oncoming exams and also for further understanding of creative arts and sports in your learning life. You're welcome, and make sure you subscribe in this channel, share with your friends so that we benefit as a country and we understand more about creative arts and sports. I've been your teacher, Mr. Masinde. Some call me Sir Martins. See you next time.